From YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add someone as a friend on your Nintendo Switch, and there's a couple different ways that we can do this. So if someone's close by, we can add them. Otherwise, if they are a little bit further, we might need their friend's code. So to find their friend code, on the home screen here, we'll go up to the top and select your profile, and then scroll up to profile, and the friend code will be listed right where it says friend code. So have your friend take a picture of their account or have them provide you that code right there. Once you have it, we want to go on over to where it says add friend. Right here, select this, and then you can go to search with friend code. And then you have to type in your friend's code right here. And it says enter the friend code of the person you want to register. Enter the 12 digits that follow SW. So you don't have to press up SW in, you just have to type in the code and then go to the next screen, and you should be able to find their profile and add them. Otherwise, you have the option to search for users you played with. Maybe you played with someone in Paladins or Call of Duty or whatever game you played. Well, they should show up under here, and then you can add them via this profile page as well. So let's go to send friend request, and it's sending it on over. Alright, so we got that way done. And there's one more way. We can go to search local users right here. And it says search for a nearby user. So if you have a friend right next to you, just have them go to the same screen, and then you have to tap the same symbols as the other person. And then you can add them as a friend that way. So then you don't need their friend code, and you don't have to type everything in that way. But the most important thing is get the friend code, and then send them a friend request, and then they have to go to this section right here where it says friend requests, and they should be able to accept the friend request on the top, and then you two should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.